If you would like to reset yours, to roll out your mat and join me. Inhale, reach your left arm toward the sky. Gently stretch over the right. Create space along the entire side of your body. Slowly return to center and change the side. Notice if one side feels tighter than the other. And release it with your exhale. Slowly roll yourself onto your back. Lift your chest toward the ceiling. And gently open through the front of your body. Relax your neck. Breathe deeply. Imagine creating space across your heart and lung. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Expand your belly when you inhale and try to release it when you exhale. You can use a pillow under your neck to support. Slowly tuck your chin, release your upper body, hug both knees into your chest. Give yourself a gentle squeeze. Let your lower back soften into the mat and breathe. Let's release all the tension that you've been carrying all the week. You do not need them anymore. Just release them here and reset your body for new week. Drop both knees to the right. Extend your arm out wide. Relax both shoulders. Inhale deeply. Exhale and soft. Be here and breathe. Let everything go. Everything that you do not need it, just let them go. Slowly return to center, switch side. Notice how your body feels now. Breathe into the stretch. Your mind probably making some scenarios. Just watch them, but do not follow them. Just let them go. Do as much as your body allows you. Do not listen to your mind. Do not judge yourself. Do as much as yourself and be proud of yourself that you're here and doing something just for yourself, for your mind, for your soul. Rock yourself into a boat pose. Lean back slightly, lift your feet, reach your arms forward, lengthen through your spine, engage your core, and deep breathe. You are stronger than you think. Do it. You can do it. Keep going. Slowly lower your feet. Lie back down. Bring your legs up toward the ceiling. Keep your lower back supported by your hands or some thin blanket. Bend your right knee toward your chest. Inhale. Extend your leg back up. Now bend the other knee toward your chest. Exhale and extend your your leg back up when you're ready. Okay, it's the time. Let's do it. Take one more deep breath. Slowly guide both legs overhead and lift your hips with control. Rest your feet behind you. Press your palms into the mat. Feel the length through your spine. Then press your palms into the mat. Lift your legs toward the ceiling. Bring your hands to your lower back for support. Press your elbows into the mat. Keep your weight on your shoulders. And take 3 slow breaths. Do it as much as your body allows you. Let's reset. Slowly release. Roll down. Give your body a break. And feel breathing. And let's go to bridge pose. Lift your hips toward the ceiling. Open your chest. Relax your shoulders. Press firmly into your feet. Breathe deeply. Slowly lower your hips. Hug your knees into your chest. And reach for the outside of your foot. Gently rock from side to side. Release your hips. Release all the tension that is been there for a long time. You do not need them. Just let them go. Let go of any remaining tension. Thought come and go, but just watch them. Do not get drowned in them. Do not let them to feel you weak. You're stronger than you think. Release your feet, extend your legs long, turn your palms up if that feels good, and close your eyes also if that feels good. Gentle breathe, feel your body becoming lighter, your mind becoming quieter, and thanks yourself for showing up today. I hope you carry this sense of calm and balance with you throughout the week. Thank you.